Hey there, Ivana here. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about funnels. I just got off a call with my team today and got inspired to do one live. So here is what I wanted to share. First of all, every product that you release on the market should be a quality product. So even if it's a lead magnet that you're giving out, it should be a quality, something that people are going to engage with, find useful, print out, because I love it when people send me emails saying, hey, Ivana, I'm printing this out and the color is too dark. Can you please do a white background, So I'm like, yeah, people are printing what we, give out. So it's really important to do things like that. So overall, with the funnel, what's the most important thing, in my opinion, is to structure it that the front end product is over delivers. It really does, what you promised on the sales page, and even more than that. I found that it's very important to build groups with your product and keep the groups separate, even though it's kind of hard to maintain both sides to it, it is important that you do it. Also, be personal with your audience as well, not just, sell, because people buy from people that they like. Now, in terms of the funnel, what has been working very well for us is providing the following. So it's done for you whenever we have done for you prospecting packet, done for you case studies, done for you templates. That is normally what is a very nice upgrade. Now remember, you should always have a big high ticket item in the back that you want to sell in order to, monetize well on it. And a lot of people don't do it. So that's why I wanted to record this video and say, hey, don't forget that. Even if you're just an affiliate marketer who don't have your own products. Now, should you get into your own products? I'm going to say yes. There are people who don't want to do it. They don't want to hassle. But however, when you have a list of buyers, when you know who the customers are, you can grow, build a bigger business. If you don't have the customer base, in my opinion, it's a lot harder to do it. I'm not saying it's not possible, it's just a lot harder to do it. So, one more thing, constantly, do little extras to promote your brand or the product that you have coming out. Like right now, I have this t-shirt on, it's a little bit of promotion that I can do just to get more people to, recognize this, check it out. Also, and I think this is one of the most important things inside of our industry, is connect with people. I think this is actually for any business, but especially inside of internet marketing, and that is, you really have to connect with people. You really have to get to know them, become friends with them. And I don't mean just because of business, I mean really become friends with them to help each other out, because little things help out. Like, Andrew Fox was just launching iTags and I promoted it for him. He needed a testimonial. He asked me for it. I did it. It is easy. It doesn't, it's not hard to do. So, those little things that you do for other people, they actually remember you and they're going to help you back. They're going to promote your launch as well. They're going to do a lot more. So, if you're not going to the events, I'm also going to say always go to some. My business tripled since I started going to the events, and that's why I started working with Soci Masters team, because of the events. And I think everyone should do it, including you, Bart. I see you. There's one coming up in Dublin. Declan is holding it in July 5th, 6th, and 7th. For people who are in Europe, definitely should attend. So, like I said, it's all about building the right funnels, having the high ticket in the back, do a lot of done for you. That's what sells the most. I have a friend of mine who does done for you blogs with a lot of unique content, and they sell that, I believe, at $2,000 right now. And it is sellable, people want done for you stuff. So, hi. So overall, I didn't want to make this live too long. Wanted to give you some insights of what we are doing in our business and how we are promoting and how we are pushing out the products and why we are doing it that way. It's all about building the right brand around it. Right now we are working on adding the newsletter to our list, which I'm super excited about. Mitali is the one who's going to create it, and it's going to be a personal and business, a little bit of everything, some great details inside of it for our customers, and we are going to do the same for our partners and affiliates as well. So really excited about taking that step. It's totally different. A lot of people don't do it in this industry. I think it's like, you have so many things to do and you forget about those little things. But those little things make all the difference at the end of the day, So I hope you enjoyed this live. Thank you so much for watching, jumping on board, and I'll talk to you either later this week or next week. Have a happy Easter if I don't talk to you before, okay? Bye-bye.